All right, let's try to solve the eighth problem from the list Top Interview 150 from Leetcode. The name of today's problem is Best Time to Buy and Sell Stock 2. Let's read the problem first. You are given an integer array prices where price of I is the price of a given stock on ith day. On each day, you may decide to buy or sell the stock. You can only hold at most one share of stock at any time. However, you can buy it then immediately sell it on the same day. Okay, so given a prices array, let's try to see what we can do here. So this is a follow-up problem from the last problem, which was best time to buy and sell stock. But here we are allowed to buy and sell the stock multiple times. And given the condition that we are not allowed to hold two shares at a time. So it means if you're already holding a share, let's say we bought a share at 1 and 5 at the price 1, then we cannot buy it again at price 5. We have to first sell it, take the profit, and then buy it again at 5. So that's condition 1. And this is what this line is trying to say. It's a little bit confusing, but what it means is that you can first sell the stock if you're holding it already from an earlier buy price, and then immediately buy it again. So let's say this was 7. So in this case, you can buy at 1, sell at 5, buy at 5 again, and sell at 7. Take profit from this transaction and take another profit from this transaction. So given that, we have to find and return the maximum profit we can achieve. Okay. So to achieve a profit, as we saw in the previous video, it should be sell price minus buy price. And condition is sell price should be greater than buy price. Only in this scenario, we will be making a profit. So when we are scanning over the array, at every index in the array, we can take a decision whether we would make a profit or not from a previous transaction. Now, if the current price of the stock is greater than the price of the stock on the next day, it does not make sense to buy it on this day. Because in this case, if you decide to buy it for 7, the next day value is 1. So this will turn out to be 1 minus 7, which will always give you a negative profit. And we don't want that. We always want to maximize this profit. And the only way to do that is we only sell when the sell price is higher than the buy price. So one more thing to note here is that we might not want to hold the stock for more than one profit transaction, because let's consider this scenario where we hold the stock, or we buy the stock at price 1 and we sell at price 7. In this case, the profit will be 7 minus 1, which is 6. But if we buy it here and then sell it at 5, the profit is 4. And if we buy it again here immediately and then sell it at 7, the profit is 2. So overall profit will still be 6. So we don't care about the values which are beyond the next day's price. If we can make a profit from the next day, we continue to do that, and then we move to the future days. So here, the approach would be scan the array from the beginning, check if we can make a profit by selling the stock on I plus 1 day. Accumulate the profit in total profit. So in this approach, we are going over the array, and for every day, we are trying to see what is the profit we can make if we buy on this day and sell on I plus 1 day. So let's go ahead and write the code for this. So int total profit is 0 in the beginning, and we start iterating the array from the beginning. And if what is our condition? The sell price is greater than buy price, then only we make the profit. So in this case, if we are standing at the day I, which means it's a buy day, so the sell day would be the I plus 1 day. So if prices of I is less than, which means buy price is less than prices of I plus 1. If buy price is less than sell price, then only we make the profit. So we say total profit is prices of I plus 1 minus prices of I. And finally, we return the total profit. So let's do a test run for this solution and see if it works. And as you can see, we have passed all the sample test cases for this problem. So let's go ahead and try to submit this problem. And we see an accepted solution. So in this video, we solved the 8th problem from the Top Interview 150 list. and the name of the problem was best time to buy and sell stock 2. In the next video, we will be solving the ninth problem from this top interview 150 list.